Welcome back everyone. Today we will have something out of the ordinary. We will see how we got to the point where my cat plays a slot machine. For several years I was trying to put together a slot machine for my room. I ordered several parts from eBay and it took me almost 3 years to put it in one piece. But now I see some listings on eBay for several $100s where you can buy an already working machine in one piece. Too bad for me, but at least now my machine is in working condition. Almost every feature works in this unit. This is a dual screen slot machine from Novomatic. This is one of their top selling units from their multi-gaminator lineup. This one was made in 1994. And during this time, a lot has improved in the gaming industry, but I wanted to own particularly this iconic model. Here's the coin dispenser. If the player wants to cash out the credits on machine, here's the place where coins are being dumped. A handy tray to gather all coins in one place. Here you can see the button panel, all of the buttons light up and are working as intended. I'll have to open it up to switch it on. For that, I will have to use a specific safe key and lift out the lock. Together this setup weighs about 140 kilograms, which is about 300 pounds. And under the heavy machine is a money safe. Here's what you see behind the doors of a slot machine. Basically a Linux computer in this case with a bill acceptor. It is something between a computer and an ATM. Okay, I will now turn it on and let's start gambling. This is an old machine, but the initialization process only takes a few seconds. Every time I turn it on, it goes through a self-test procedure. As you can see, I'm very lucky today. There is money already on the machine. It tells me to close the doors. Let's go ahead and do that. Now we can start to use it. Here you can see the dual screen setup and the game selector screen. I will now act as an attendant by turning this lock. I can enter the audit menu. I can change some minor settings from here and also view information about the machine. I will not bore you with the setting information in this video. Let's win some money. And the bill acceptor I can add from 5 to 500 euro bills. Here in the credits window we can see 2000 credits, because for this machine 1 cent is equal to 1 credit. I think we need more money to show a full demo. When I do that, the money is being transferred to credits window. This is an old machine, so it takes some time to register the bill. Here I can select the lines. This affects the probability of winning, but increases the total bet value. And here I can increase the bet per line value. Remember, I do not promote gambling. This is for demo purposes only and to show you what can be put together from parts that are available on eBay. You can start to play by pressing the start button. And if you need to get info about the game you're playing, just press the info button. Okay, let's see if the bill acceptor will not crash on more bills. Now we have enough credits to play the auto game. Yes, you can press a button and lose all your money without any effort at all. That is what my cat is doing right now. I will try to guess and double my winnings. Nope, maybe next year. I still have some money left, I'll just take it out. And check how the coin dispenser works. Let's open it up again. I will show you it from the inside. This is the volume knob. I can change how loud these two speakers are playing sounds. Maybe I will even create an audio test of these two. I will take out the coin hopper. You can hear the sound of all my life savings in it. This is the rail that holds hopper in its place, and connector to the motherboard. Here is where the coins get dropped when hopper is full, and they are falling into this metal safe. When doors are opened, coins are being diverted to the dispensing tray. It is being controlled by this lever. This is the view from inner side of the coin being rejected. When doors are closed, coins slide from this place into the coin hopper. If coins are being paid out, they get into the tray. Through this opening, there is a special dispensing wheel in hopper. It is placed at the bottom of hopper, which guides coins through an opening into tray. Here is the hopper itself. It's made from plastic. When I take the lid off, you can see a red wheel at the bottom of it. I will show you how this dispensing process works. There should be coins in the hopper. I will put in all my cat savings, put the lid on, and press collect, and the money starts to drop. Now let's move to the bills. When I put any bill into machine, it first goes through bill acceptor, which analyzes and checks if the bill is not fake. It uses almost all the bill security checks that are being used. It is programmable to exclude specific bills or for a change to a different currency. You can see the photo detectors and rubber strips which guide the bill through the acceptor. After bill is confirmed, it is then transferred to bill stacker, which is behind locked safe doors. Here are all the bills previously used in demo process. They are stacked very tight. And one stacker can accommodate a lot of bills. Now put it back and close the doors. And we're back in business. Comment your ideas. What would you like to see and explained in the future videos? Would you like to see a full teardown? Now press like and subscribe to get notified of our future videos. See you in the next one. Good luck everyone.